Delhi witnessed the highest number of good to moderate air quality days in 2024 in the past 6 years. This year, 207 days were classified as having good to moderate air quality, with the AQI remaining below 100. This marks the highest number of such days recorded since 2018, excluding the uniquely clear air conditions that we had seen during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. My colleague Shreya joins us with more details. Shreya, it seems this time around, although the temperatures seem to be dipping, the pollution level was quite better than the last 6 years.
Absolutely. That's essentially because of the favorable meteorological conditions, including the strong northwesterly winds and the slight rainfall that the Delhiites experienced. Right now, I am outside India Gate. The air quality is moderate. People are enjoying a nice winter morning, the winter chill. They are enjoying some outdoor activities as well. This December, we saw the least number of days recording poor air quality, which is, of course, quite historic in itself. Let's get talking to some of the morning walkers here who are enjoying the beautiful sunshine as well as the winter chill. Sir, tell us about the improved air quality. Do you personally feel it? Because I'm sure you've been cycling, jogging regularly. Do you see the difference between November and December in terms of the air quality?
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Yes, I do feel a difference. It has been last few weeks we've been cycling and visibility was poor. You could actually feel it in your throat. I mean, it was a little stingy kind of a feeling. But yeah, I mean, today is fairly clear and pretty good. Yeah.
But why do you think the case is? Do you think it's because of the slight rainfall that had happened, or do you think it's because of the strong Commission for Air Quality Management measures that they have taken, like GRAP 3, GRAP 4? Do you think that have proven successful?
Ma'am, it would be a mix of both of them. Yeah, air quality did improve because of the rains and it's been windy for the past few days, so that would have helped. Plus, these rules which have been put into strict action, that would have helped as well. So it's a mix of both, I would say.
Right. Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. So, of course, people do believe that the air quality has significantly improved. But then at the same time, the Commission for Air Quality Management, yesterday they discussed and revised the guidelines, the GRAP guidelines, and have made sure that certain measures are made mandatory, and such as hybrid classes during poor air quality days, complete ban on BS6 vehicles, non-electric vehicles coming from the different cities. These kind of measures that they have made it stricter this time. And right now, as you can see, the temperature is around 7 degrees Celsius. It feels much better to be outdoors because one can breathe the clean air, feel the sunshine, and as you can see, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. People are enjoying their outdoor activities, right, which is quite a rare sight in the month of December when the pollution levels usually spike up.